Man, I hope I got enough space on the camera. Good morning, good afternoon. Choose here. It's probably, I don't know, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Thursday. I am having a brand new place, well, for me. I'm not even sure how long it's been around, but it's a soul food joint called Cleo's Southern Cuisine. I heard about it through a coworker who discovered there was a guy called Keith Lee. Some of y'all may even know of him. I had never heard of him, but he did, I guess, an infamous review of this place and gave it a 10 out of 10, which reportedly is rare for him to do. Um, I tried to look for his video to put a link in later, but he has a few and I could not find it for some reason, but that's okay. I may look for it later. I didn't have enough time. This is the first meal of the day. I didn't know how well the food would travel, so I just said, let me get the meal and eat it first and give y'all my thought. But this whole thing was from my coworker who does not know that I do these videos and stuff like that, but he even loved it too. He gave it a very high review. So what I have today are savory green beans, classic baked mac and cheese, pineapple candied sweet potatoes, I believe is what they're called. And these are called 24 karat gold muffins or cornbread or whatever. And they had a buy one, get one free on DoorDash. So I actually got like three more in these containers right here that you can see. But I'm not going to eat all of them. And the main thing, well, there's another one of the muffins right here you can see. And this is called the Float and Fly. This guy right here. So it's 3 catfish fillets and 3 chicken wings. And you can see they have a nice size to them. To drink, I have some sweetened black cherry sparkling water with some ice. I finally got the ice out of the freezer. First meal of the day. I'm hungry. I'm hoping that I can eat as much of this as possible. But let's get started. Enough chatting already. I'm excited to share this with y'all. I'm excited to try it for myself. Where to begin? Let's try the savory string beans, which very good. That's a potato in there too. I'm not really big on string beans unless my mom cooks them, but that's not good. I mean, that's not bad. That's what I meant to say. It's it's a little peppery. Mac and cheese, good too. Let's mix them both in. You know how I like to do. I like that. Very nice. I'm excited about this. Very sweet. And you can taste the pineapple in there too. I'm guessing it's like a pineapple juice. I don't really see, oh wait. I think this is a chunk of pineapple. Yeah. I think yep, that's what it is. Little chunks of pineapple in there. And there's a I got the sauce for this cornbread. Mm-hmm. That's nice. I see why they call it 24 karat, 24 karat gold or whatever they call it. Mm. This is like dropping stuff everywhere. This is like a precursor to Thanksgiving. I don't know about y'all, but I'm having the strongest craving for soul food. Mmm. Oh God. Mmm. Child. Mmm. You better watch out. Mmm. Mmm. I'm sorry. This season, this chicken good. Man, y'all know I try my best. I don't know how to eat wings. Mm. Y'all know I don't like no gristle. But though that's a good wing. It's nice and peppery. I'm excited about this darn fish fillet. I mean catfish fillet. Mm. Mm-mm. Wow. We made the hell out of some fish. Child. The only thing I regret, not that it needs it, I regret not having any hot sauce. Mm, mm, mm. Damn. Yes, indeed. This was good. This is well worth the wait. Sorry. Mm. Damn. Broke my damn cornbread. I'm having fun. I don't care. If you are new to my channel, welcome. You see me in my full pig glory. Mm. No. The only thing I can say, this would have been, while the string beans are good and they are savory, I would love for this to have been like collard greens. And for this mac and cheese, It's good. And y'all know I'm not a big mac and cheese person, but I would have had some other kind of cheese in here. But again, it's not bad. It's not bad. It is cheesy. I've had robust, more robust mac and cheese. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just wonder how many cheeses they use in this. And maybe I'm looking for something on the more of a burnt, not burnt, but baked side. Maybe I'm looking for something like that, like baked, charred at the top a little bit, and cheesy at the same time. But I can tell you right now, I will definitely order this again. Mm. Y'all want to know what I got to talk about? Absolutely nothing. Mm-mm. Maybe when the food is this good, shit. Oh, let's mix the cheese. Let's mix this with the mac and cheese with the sweet potatoes. Mm-hmm. Sorry for those of you that don't like to put everything on one fork. Asabi. Look at that. It's that catfish fillet. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I have no history for y'all for this place. I think what I might have to do is put it in the description of the video. Because there are a few people, what I did notice, there are a few people who have reviewed this joint. And there are two locations. One is in Bronzeville, that's on kind of the south side of the city. And the other one, the one that I ordered from, excuse me, is in the heart of downtown, in the Loop area. And there are a lot of other, well, from what I could see, there were a few people who posted videos reviewing their food. Mm. Look at that freaky fish. Look at that. Wow. Oh. I feel like my eyes have been closed the whole time. Tear this one off. Like it's cornbread at the bottom, and then you got this little sweet cap of glaze on top. Mm. Actually, that bottom does taste kind of sweet a little bit. But it's still good. Oh, I would love some potato salad. Collard greens, coleslaw. Mm. I got nothing to talk about, y'all. I sure don't. I've been on my downtime. I've been watching really horrible, bad, awful horror films. Had some chocolate, some Snickers, you know, Snickers, like the mini ones. It's a decent day out today, like in the I think upper 50s, maybe even lower 60s. Mm. This is not of great interest to anyone, but I thought I'd mention it now in case anything happened. What else? Okay. This chair that I'm sitting on. I've had it a long time, and it's starting to show. So I'm definitely in need of another office chair. I love office chairs, but I'm in need of one. I think I'm gonna try and get to Staples, see if I can get one that's already put together, a floor model. Oh, excuse me. Because you know my ass, I want to have to put it together. And since my ass don't drive and don't have a car, I have to see how I can get me a lift to get it home. Mm. Come on, I want y'all on the same fork. Come on. Do it for me. Do it for Papa. Thank you. Mm. Oh. Uh-uh. Y'all gonna still have to look at how big it is right here, because mm, why is that so hard? Mm, mm, mm. They know how to season the hell out some food. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This is what I'm gonna share with y'all. Some very useful information. Ground turkey does have its purpose. However, not for meatloaf and not for sloppy joes. Don't ever do it. Turkey burgers, you can get away with it. There's something in the texture of biting into it in a burger form that works better to me for some reason than in sloppy joe form or meatloaf form. I know it's, going to be a little better for you. Or excuse me, just don't do it in those two forms. So for the umpteenth time, because each time I guess I've been thinking that it's gonna be even better in sloppy joe, it is not. I used smoked paprika, onion powder. I didn't have any garlic powder. If I did, y'all know I would have used it. Even brought out the Lowry seasoned salt. Not any, because I don't have pink salt right now. I have sea salt, but I just use the Lowry's, some black peppercorn, what was it, oregano, anything else I used. Even threw in like some bread. Hello, no, I didn't mean that. I threw in some cheese in it to try to give it, some type of flavor. And with the sloppy joe sauce, like, wow, it's flavorful. It's just not the same as when you make it with ground beef. It really isn't. There is nothing that you could put in it that would camouflage the fact that it is ground turkey. And it's not supposed to taste like ground beef. I know that. But I'm sorry, even in a bun with mayo or whatever you want, it's ground turkey. It's ground turkey. So for some of y'all that may need to hear that, that's for y'all. Don't do it. Mm. This will make a wicked sandwich. Some pickles and maybe some Duke's mayonnaise. Oh Lord. They season the hell out of this food. So tender. This is almost like my cousin Sherry's infamous catfish fillet. But this is one I don't like. Hold on. There are pockets of it that are hard. As you can see, I peeled away like 3 times. One was gristle, but in this, like it got cooked so hard that my teeth, I guess my teeth are getting weak, I don't know, but I couldn't chew it. It felt like I was biting on a rock. I don't want to take that away from the fish fillet, from catfish fillet, but you know, yeah. See, right here. Mhm. Okay, that one's better. Mm, mm, mm. You guys, this is worth it. Mm. Excuse me. Oh my God. I have truly grazed. Oh, that was so good. So flavorful. I would definitely order there again. Um, it is pricey, so it might be a little minute before I do, but it's good. It's worth it. I hope that they switch up or add additions to some of their sides because I would love to taste some of the chicken and fish with some potato salad and some collard greens. I said that before, didn't I? Okay, anyway, you guys, it's almost 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Um, I need for you all to check your notifications and like, comment, subscribe. Maybe you have seen the reviews. Keith Lee is his name, Lee. Brother from out here in Chicago that did a review of this place, Cleo'S Southern Cuisine. Um, there are other reviews as well, or just type in Cleo'S Southern Cuisine and see what other people have had to say about it, including yours truly. I loved it. I will do it again. Um, my only thing is, while the mac and cheese is flavorful, it's good. I would like to have seen more yellow cheesiness, and a baked type thing happening. But whatever, it's a small thing. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Um, tell me what you think about the food I've eaten. And would you ever try something like this if you visited here in Chicago? Okay, take care, y'all. Bye.